Hey guys, so it is actually the next day. I had to stop the video because I had to cook and stuff. It was already pretty late. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off with the bigger stuff. So I'm gonna start off with the bigger stuff first. So I want to start off with this. It's like a little container organizer, and I bought this for the charms. Let me just show you. Maybe I could just put some random charms here as well. And this guy was, let me check, it doesn't even say. But anyway, like I mentioned before, I am gonna link everything down below. So if you have any questions or anything, you could definitely feel free to comment in the comment section. But I'm literally going to link everything because I have it on my Shein account. So that's that. And I also bought this container, which I could have sworn this came with another container, but I guess not. I think this was about $1, and I bought this. I bought this because I wanted to put like my acrylic brushes and stuff like that in there. Yeah, so it does fit. So the next thing I got is this little Acetone Cup. So I saw this, I forgot, I know it was another YouTuber, but I saw that she got this, and I've actually been needing this because you could put any brush in there with some acetone. For example, like my little liner brushes, this one is in very bad condition. Oh, does it fit? Yeah, so see, I could just put it down there with some acetone, and it does reach the bottom. All right, so these guys are some foils, and I'm very, very happy that I found these because I feel like these little foil flakes, they're very expensive on Amazon, and they bring the little tiny container. So I think I got these for like $2 if I'm not mistaken. So it brings 3: silver, gold, and rose gold. And I paid maybe like $2. Again, like I said, I will be linking everything below, but I'm gonna show you guys. So when I buy them on Amazon, these are the little containers that it comes in, and I paid like almost $6-7 for them. So I mean, this comparing to this is amazing. I'm pretty sure I could last at least a year with these, you know, depending how good they are and how tiny you break them. This will last me a while. All right, moving on to the next. So you guys are probably wondering, what the heck is this? So this is actually double-sided tape. There you go. So this is double-sided tape. I've actually have seen a lot of people using this one recently, but a lot of people were getting them from Amazon, and they were a little expensive on Amazon, and they were always sold out. So I'm actually pretty happy that Shein had them. I believe I also paid like $2.50 for these, no more than $3, and I was very happy to find this. And since I've been getting back into polygel, a lot of the polygel sets do bring brushes, but I wanted to have an extra one in hand just in case. So I bought this cute little pink one. So this is the gel polish side, and this is the scoop side. I think this was like $1. I also got these guys. So these are the blendable brushes, the brushes that you could use to blend gel polishes or polish. I've actually have never used these before, so I'm very curious to use them. But I have heard that they make blending much easier. All right, so these are my favorites, even though they are a little all over the place, but it's all right. I could just fix that in the time that I'm not doing anything. So these are rhinestones, as you can see, and I'm very happy because, like I said earlier, with the other rhinestones that I bought, it has the two very similar colors, so I'm very happy about that. And they actually bought some rose gold as well, which I was very shocked about. These are the rose golds. Let me see if I can open them. Maybe you can see it a little better. So I bought these. I have more rhinestones, but I wanted like these opal ones. I've been dying to get opal rhinestones, if that's how you say it. But yeah, they are very, very good. They're pretty shiny, honestly. And for this little container, I paid, I believe it was $6. I have some other ones, which I could have sworn I had bought, but I guess I put them back. But the other ones were like the neon colors, so I'll probably buy those later on. Oh, let me show you guys this little guy. So this little thing is the LED UV light. So I don't have small batteries at the moment, but if you do get it, just know that it does not come with the batteries, and it is the AAA batteries, so the small skinny batteries, and it brings one, two, I believe it's three. So three AAA batteries. All right, so before I get into the charms, I have one last item, and these are just some clips that I got. So this is like for when you're doing poly gel, you know, if you're using the dual forms, or if you're doing the lazy girl method, you just clamp it, and then, you know, if you have poly gel coming out through the sides, you could just clean it while this is holding it in place. It's actually like this. I was putting it on. But yeah, you just put it like this on top of the nail, clean around it, and this will hold the nail for you instead of you having to, like, you know, do all that hassle. So, you know, when you're on Instagram, you see all these nail trends and stuff. So I was looking around to see where I could find the best nail charms, and they have everything here. Like, Shein is literally the new plug. So I got these little planet charms. These have been really in right now. These are the charms, the little planet charms, and they are so cute. I've been dying to do a set with these, like a little galaxy set. So I'm definitely going to be using these very soon in a video. So moving on, I bought these little heart charms. Valentine's is around the corner, so I wanted to go ahead and start buying little Valentine charms. So these are very cute. I believe these were like about $2 or maybe like $1.50, and it brings, I believe, 10. So we're just gonna continue. These are some more, well, I consider these Valentine charms, that's why I bought them, but I mean, you can use these for anything. These cute little lip charms. I figured it would look cute with the stickers that I showed you guys earlier. We could do like a little set with those. So very cute, very chic. They also had these in gold, but I didn't really like how they looked in gold, so I ended up just buying these. Now moving on. These two are the same, so I'm just gonna open one. So these were $1 each, and I figured, let me buy them. Maybe I could do like some cute little feisty set with these snakes. These are in color silver. I bought this color, and I bought some gold ones, which I'll show you when I get to the gold side. Just only gonna take out two. They're all the same. These are pretty cute though. So it's butterflies with a pink rose. So I saw them and I figured, why not get them? I could do a cute little butterfly set. So this one is kind of the same, it just doesn't have the roses. So if somebody wants to be a little more simple, just put these on them. So yeah, I bought these. So like I said, if somebody wants to have a more simple look, I could just use these guys. And I believe these are the last silver ones. And these little guys are bears. These also have been trending a lot lately, which I kind of got upset because the night before I got these, I saw that there was a pack on Shein that had the gold and these together, and it was different sizes, but it's alright. I'll look back and see if I find them. But these are super cute. So it's a little bear holding the heart in the middle. Hopefully you guys could see it.